6Naomi versus UVM continuation after weapon issue on UVM part. Like I think.
In there. Now you.
Yeah.
I did not.
Well, I don't. Yeah. Naomi should have asked, right?
No. Take the blade.
Once you take the blade, finish your post.
Interesting timing. Not a bad choice. Stop planting your feet. You're telling her when to... Yep. Good work. Keep pushing. Now your turn. I didn't mean now your turn, I meant.
Now you.
Yeah! Together.
Nope. That was not together.
He called it together, that's what I meant.
Yeah, I know.
I'm well off target. Stop it.
So take a retreat with that parry.
Yep. When she engages your blade, disengage and hit the other side of it.
Yeah.
Nice! That was right. Don't do that as your last touch, though. Yeah. Good work.
You're tip focused.
You're being carded for something.
I'm probably covering target.
Setting out the side strip to avoid touch. She doesn't just pass, she steps off.
Oh, what?
Is that phrase?
And she stops, you go.